Starting at the station, as we go around the corner on this little 4x8 pike, project for tonight is this section of track right here. Now, backstory on this layout's, I don't know, probably 20 years old. 4x8 that was built by my brother and then went into storage for a while. And of course, being into storage, the weather does things to it. Glue sometimes cracks. And so what we're going to do tonight is repair this part right here, re-glue this track, and ballast it probably up to this section. And eventually we're going to have to take that bridge out and do the scenery under that. So stay tuned. All right, folks, let's check in on the progress of the ballasting that we did last night. Again, coming around our little 4x8. We got to this area, and we'll have to address that maybe later. I can maybe dig that out with my Dremel tool. And here's the approach going to the bridge. And so I'm pretty happy with it. There's some spots we got to fill in and adjust, but we should be able to do that without much effort. Again, making this approach to this bridge here. The next step is to take that out, remove the track temporarily, and we'll start working on the scenery underneath it. Clean up the bridge, of course. That bridge has been there pretty much as long as the railroad has, suffering a little bit of, needs cleaning at least, for sure. Thanks for watching.